the stock 4runner mats here that I've had forever. Nothing too special. But then these bad boys from Lasfit Autolighting. Check it out. Look at that. And the quality is amazing. So you got the driver, you got the passenger, you got the whole back. I love how it goes across. I dig it. Can't wait to get these things in the truck. Let's see how they fit. Love it. What up, guys? I wanted to give you an update video of my floor mats I got from Lasfit. Now, I knew they offered floor mats for a while, and but for a lot of other different cars and trucks, and I've been waiting for a while for them to come out with ones for the 4runner, and they finally did. So I was pretty stoked when I got the message and they said, hey, we got these new floor mats for the 5th gen. We want you to try them out in the rig. So it's been about 2 weeks so far. I've had them in. And, you know, with my 4-year-old running through the truck and me running in and out, one thing I was looking for is like if they're gonna like lift up on the side, if they were gonna start like peeling up and just kind of moving around a little bit. And so far, they've been super solid. See, and this is with like, you know, foot marks on it, kind of walking through here, pushing it around. It's still nice and snug going all the way through. Same thing with all the sides. I dig it. This is my kid's side, so he's always crawling up over here. I got sprinkles and a bunch of stuff in there. Need to clean that out, but still nice and snug. Coming through the back, not coming up on the sides or anything. See, it just stays nice and even right there. I need to clean this really bad, but as you can see, these things are awesome. I called a win. Great floor mats, fitment perfect, quality perfect, got that nice heavy feel. I'm super stoked on them, you know, and I was stoked on when I got them, and 2 weeks later, they've held up, you know, the day-to-day normal activity of life. And that was like one of my biggest worries, like I was saying, was they're gonna kind of move around or start lifting up, and you know, I didn't have to worry about that. I've always had a good experience with Lasfit. I've got their LED pods in the back. So yeah, guys, I hope you liked the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment. If you guys have any questions, any suggestions on future videos, anything like that, let me know. I'm going to be doing some trail reviews coming up, just kind of going over stuff with the rig and kind of what I got going on here a little bit more in depth, and maybe my ideas behind it a little bit more. So if you guys have any suggestions, I would love to hear it. Pay attention to YouTube a little bit more these days. I kind of started it and then kind of forgot about it for a little while and just posted things here and there. So go over some stuff a little bit more in detail than I'm used to doing on Instagram. So, you know, by the way, you guys follow me on Instagram too, @mammoth4runner. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.